Hi guys, today we will be making a sliding knot bracelet with a different style than our usual sliding knots. This one has a single knot that comes together in the middle. Let us start by measuring out 40 centimeters of our cord and then cinch the ends with a lighter to prevent fraying. Then, lay the cord on the table in a U shape and tie a knot going inwards, then through itself and up on the right hand side, and repeat the same on the left hand side. You should now have a knot on each side, and you need to move them until the end pieces are about the same length on each side. These end pieces will be for pulling the knot tight or loosening it, so make sure to keep them equal in length. Next, gently poke one end down inside the knot beside the other piece, and then repeat the same on the other side. Now, gently pull on the knots in different directions to tighten them until you can slide the knot in and out. Tie a knot on each end of the tails to finish them off and create handles for pulling the sliding knot bracelet tight or loose. Finally, slide the bracelet onto your wrist and adjust it to fit by pulling on the knot handles. This is a simple and fun way to make a sliding knot bracelet. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out other videos on creating sliding knots. Let me know which one you find most inspiring.